Welcome to this beginner line dance tutorial to the song End in Your Tears by Mikala. The dance is also called End in Your Tears. It is a 2-wall dance, 40 counts. It does have 2 restarts in it. We'll touch on them in the end and where they are. We're going to turn and face the other way so that you can follow along with us, and we're going to start with the first 8 counts. So you're going to start with your weight on your left leg, and we're going to walk forward for 2 with the right leg. So we're going to go right, left. Then from here, we're going to do a shuffle forward. We're going to then rock forward on the left and recover. Rock forward and recover. And as we recover, we're going to quarter turn and then do a shuffle to the left. Okay, let's do that from the beginning. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle, forward, rock, recover, quarter turn, shuffle. Then on to the next 8 counts. So we're going to cross the right leg over in front of the left, and we're going to touch the left foot behind the right. We're then going to step back on the left and step back to centre to square off. Then going to do the same thing to the right. So we're going to step the right foot in front, touch the left, step back, recover. Okay, let's start from the beginning. So weight on the left, starting on the right. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, quarter turn, shuffle, step, touch, step, back, step, touch, step, back. On to the third lot of 8 counts. So we're going to do some hip bumps forward and backwards. So we're going to step on the right and hip bump forward 2, and then we're going to hip bump back 2. Following this, we're going to do 2 paddle turns to do a quarter turn, so we end up facing 9 o'clock. So we're going to paddle turn. Okay, let's start from the beginning and run the first 24 counts through. So we're going to again start with the weight on the left. We're walking forward, right, left, shuffle, rock and recover, quarter turn, shuffle, step, touch, step, back, step, touch, step, back, hip bump forward, back, paddle turn, paddle turn. On to the next wall, we're going to do 2 grapevines, one to the right, one to the left. So you're going to grapevine to the right, go inside, behind, side, together, side, behind, side, together. Okay, let's put that together from the very beginning. So weight on the left, starting on the right, walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, quarter turn, shuffle, step, touch, step, back, step, touch, step, back, hip bumps forward, hip bumps back, paddle turn, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Okay, and then the last 8 counts to end the dance, we're going to do 2 diagonal walks backwards. So we're going to go to the right first, step touch, to the left, step touch, and then we're going to go out, out, right, left, and then we're going to do hip circles. End of dance. Let's just do that last bit again. So diagonal step backwards and hip rolls. Step, back, out, out, and roll. So that's the end of the dance and all the steps. We will start it again from the beginning now and do a run through of it, and then we'll talk about where the restarts are. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock and recover, quarter turn, shuffle, step, touch, hip bumps forward and back, paddle turns, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. We're going to go back, out, out, hip rolls. End of dance. Okay, now we're going to go through wall 2 and we're going to run through the whole dance from beginning to end. Okay, so starting on the right leg, weight on the left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock and recover, quarter turn, shuffle, step, touch, hip bumps forward and back, paddle turn, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. We're going to step back, we're going to go out, out, hip rolls. Okay, now we've done both walls, we're going to run through it from start to finish, do wall 1 and wall 2, and then we'll add on the explain where the restarts are. So weight on the left, starting on the right. We're going to walk forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle. Rock and recover, quarter turn. Shuffle, step, touch. Step, touch. Hips forward and back. Paddle turn. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. You're going to step back. You're going to out, out, hip rolls. Walk, walk, shuffle. Rock forward. Quarter turn. Step, touch. Step, touch. Hip bumps. Paddle turns. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. And step back. And out, out, hip rolls. So that's the end of the tutorial in the dance. So there are 2 restarts in the dance. They come on wall 3 and wall 5. So the first one after wall 3, we'll be starting facing this way. And we do our walk, walk, shuffle, rock and recover, quarter turn. And we step, touch, step, touch. We do our hip bumps. We do our paddle turns. We do our grapevines. And then we start again. Walk, walk, shuffle. The second restart comes after wall 5. So again, we'll be starting facing this way. So we walk, walk, shuffle, rock and recover, shuffle, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, hip bumps forward and back and paddle turn. And this point we start again. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock. So now we're going to go into the dance and we're going to put it all together to the music. Have fun. And that is the end of this beginner dance.